Hello, welcome to my page Learn with Sam. Today we will learn how to make super easy homemade Play-Doh. This is a great activity for kids, especially during summer. You only need a few ingredients from your kitchen. Before we start, if you are new to here, then subscribe to my channel Learn with Sam. In a bowl, mix 1 cup of flour, half cup of salt and gradually stir half cup of water. If the mixture is too dry, then add some more water. After you knead it, it should look something like this. And you can stop there and just use this as a Play-Doh. Or you can add some washable color. Now you can add some color onto this and divide it into sections like this. Then you can just knead the dough and mix it like this. And it will look something like this. Here I have used washable paints. You can also use some food colors too. And remember to wash your hands before you move to the next color. Don't want to make it dry after using or after playing. You can keep it into a bag to make it last up to 4 weeks. I hope you enjoy my video. Be sure you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram too. So thank you. We'll make another video more fun just like this.